the definition of a solution of a differential equation. Any function f defined on some intervals which when substituted into a differential equation reduces the equation to an identity is said to be a solution of the equation on the interval. Now I will explain this definition with some examples. What is a solution of a differential equation? Before going to start this topic, I want to explain actually what is a solution for any equation. For instance, if you have an equation that is a quadratic equation, if you want to find the solution for this quadratic equation, just solve this equation for x. You will see x is equal to plus 1 and minus 1 will be the solution for this quadratic equation. Why? Because when we substitute plus 1 into the given equation, it satisfies the given equation. Similarly, when we substitute minus 1 into the given quadratic equation, it also satisfies the equation. This shows 1 and minus 1 are the solution of this quadratic equation. But sometimes if you have some other number, for instance x is equal to 2, and we want to check whether this x is equal to 2 is a solution for this quadratic equation, yes or no, just substitute this value x is equal to 2 in the given quadratic equation, and you will see it will not satisfy the given equation. Why? Because 3 is equal to 0. This is not possible. So it means when we substitute x is equal to 2 into the given quadratic equation, it does not satisfy the given quadratic equation. So what is the conclusion? X is equal to 1 and minus 1 are the solution for this particular quadratic equation, but x is equal to 2 is not a solution for this quadratic equation. Now, if you have a differential equation dy over dx is equal to 1 and you want to find the solution for this particular differential equation, so keep in mind, for any differential equation the solution will be a function. Keep in mind, for any differential equation the solution will be a function. For instance, we have seen before x square minus 1 was the quadratic equation, and we have found that x is equal to plus 1 and minus 1 are the solution for this particular equation. But this is a quadratic equation, or you can say this is a polynomial. In polynomial, the solutions are the numbers. It may be a real numbers or a complex numbers. But as far as our differential equation is concerned, the solution will be a function. So it means for this differential equation, we need to find the function that satisfies this differential equation. And for instance, we want to check whether y is equal to x is the function, y is equal to x is a solution for this differential equation, yes or no. Just take the first derivative of the function dy over dx, which is equal to 1. So by taking the first order derivative of the function y is equal to x, it satisfies the given differential equation. On the other hand, if you have another function y is equal to x square, if you want to check whether y is equal to x square is the solution for the given differential equation, just take the first order derivative of this function. You will have dy over dx is equal to 2x, which is not satisfying the given differential equation, because the given differential equation is dy over dx is equal to 1, but the result generated over here is dy over dx is equal to 2x. It means y is equal to x square is not a solution for the given differential equation dy over dx is equal to 1. Y is equal to x square is not a solution for this particular differential equation, but y is equal to x is a solution for this given differential equation, because when the derivative of this function is substituted into the given equation, it satisfies the given differential equation.